In this video, we're going to see how you can set up a complete functional CRM in less than 5 minutes with AI and Airtable. So, first of all, I want to show you the prompt that we're going to use for actually give it to the feature that we're going to use. That is Airtable CoBuilder is available for free accounts also, so don't worry about that. So also, this is basically the whole prompt that we're going to use is so quite limited. This prompt is not so complete and detailed because Airtable have a limitation in the amount of words, characters that you can use for basically give it the prompt to the AI. So we're going to use this prompt. Is going to be available in the description, so you can basically be able to download and you can basically give it to Airtable and have the same CRM that we're going to build from scratch in this video. So let's jump to Airtable and we're going to use this prompt to build our CRM. So once you set up your account, your free account of Airtable, you have to go right here at the bottom left of the of your screen in Airtable. You click on create, and after that you click on build an app with AI. Okay, don't click in start from scratch because you're going to basically have to build your entire app or CRM in this case from completely scratch. Okay, so we're going to click on right here on build an app with AI. So once we click on that, we're going to see this interface, this very cool interface that, as you can see, we can be able to build different stuff, different so interesting, valuable stuff from zero with AI. That, for example, different type of this example that we have an asset library for our enterprise SaaS companies, social media and marketing team. That is a very cool feature. And for example, creative production, content calendar, resource allocation, inventory, and as you can see, we have so many different examples of what we use cases, of what we can do with this tool of Airtable, and this is available, and that is why I'm showing to you because it's free also, and you will be able to have these use case of build a CRM if you need basically do it in a so so quick, because and also it's going to be so very interesting because it's going to have different sections, as you can see, contacts, leads, and the different information that we need from the lead, the lead name, the company, the lead score. Also, for example, you can integrate AI. We're going to discuss that, for example, in another video, how you can integrate different automations from Anything or Make or the automation platform that you use, and also have this, for example, a score, lead score from AI based on the information that the lead gave to you. Or also, if you want to scrape the whole information from the lead in internet, you can do it with also automations or AI. So as you can see, we have status, potential lead, deal, and close date. The automation that we can build from every section. Okay, for example, sales forecasting. Also, we're going to use to have forecast period, projected revenue, probability to close, actual revenue, variance, and different information that is so very useful for your business. Okay, so we're going to this is going to be a PDF, so you only have to go and click just Control C, and we're going to go right here and Control V. Okay, and that is so simple. So you only have to do that for having the whole different information that we are going to put to our table. So as you can see, we can also personalize our CRM with the color that we're going to use. For example, you can use red, orange, yellow. For example, we're going to use red for this CRM. Well, it's not a 100% red, it's like now we're going to use blue. Okay, and once we have our complete prompt in Airtable, we're going to, well, in Airtable CoBuilder, we're going to click next, and what we're going to see is a demo of our complete app that we're basically doing. We're going, the app that we're building, okay? And as we can see, this is the complete interfaces that we're going to have and in this demo, okay? And we can basically change some parameters that we want and different stuff, okay? And as we can see, we're going to wait a few seconds more and we're going to see the different sections, okay? And okay, and as you can see, we have, for example, we can add other sections that we have potential to be very valuable for us. For example, tasks, campaigns, products, competitors, contracts. For example, we're going to add task and training and onboarding, okay? We're going to create click on preview again, and we're going to see the new sections that we have completely from zero. And we have to wait a few seconds, and we're going to have integrated the new task and training onboarding that we included in our last version, okay? This is so valuable, so you can, for example, play with this different stuff that you can add, okay? But as you can see, we just basically have done a basically complete CRM from scratch, from a prompt, okay? So as you can see, we have the whole different departments, the whole different dashboards, okay? And this is a preview, okay? We're going to see the complete app when we create right here, okay? And also we can have the option that add your own department or your own section that you want also to include in your CRM. For example, we're going to use I don't know, for example, team members. That is our new section that we want to also have in our CRM, and we have to wait a few seconds more and we're going to have it in the preview of our CRM, okay? So let me drink one mate. If you know, this is a typical some kind of tea from South America. So let's get into our main focus in this video. So as we can see, in a few seconds, okay, you can go further in the video and you see the result, okay? And as we can see, we have the team members overview, sorry, and we have, for example, our different team members and different job titles, okay? And you can personalize with your own information, change it with, for example, if you have the whole information in your own, you can basically do it, basically integrate it with this CRM. So we're going to create the app and we're going to see our CRM. Okay, also a feature that I want to show you that is a very valuable, that is in Airtable, also free, that, for example, if you have a complete basically, for example, information or documents that you want to basically have these kind of automations, that, for example, you can have different insights from that documents, for example, documents from clients that you want to have more information about their businesses. That is a use case that just come to my mind, and you can upload it to Airtable, and Airtable is going to give to you different insights from that basically document. And this is the functionality that I want to show you. For example, I upload a document as the same functionality that we made, okay? You only have to go to Airtable CoBuilder and you have to import a file, and after that you are going to basically have different questions that you can give it to AI, and AI is going to search in the document and is going to give it in your for example, in this Airtable, okay, in this Airtable table. So for example, we have a document that is the more complete version of this prompt, and I upload it to the Airtable AI, And as you can see, for example, these entire automations, each automation that is, for example, very valuable to a CRM is all from the document that I upload for this prompt for Airtable. So it's so valuable when you want to basically have information from documents. Okay, that is also a use case for Airtable. For example, we have other file requirements that we have from the prompt. Okay, this, for example, when you start a contract or you want to have more information about this, for example, your client, you can upload it to Airtable AI, and you will have the different stuff inside that you want. Okay, so let's see our CRM. Okay, and as we can see, we have, for example, complete overview of our basically leads, and if we click on edit your app, we're going to be able to basically see in the data and automations. Okay, and as we can see, we have all of the different sections that we include in our prompt. Okay, we have dashboard and reviews and reports. Sorry, we have the total revenue. Obviously, this is all entire generated by AI. We have, for example, in sales forecasting, we have the probability to close, the actual revenue, the projected revenue, and different stuff generated by AI. This is obviously not a version that you can use from zero, because you have the whole infrastructure and you only have to upload your own information, or you can use it for basically start uploading your information. Okay, it's super useful if you have to basically build this type of application or CRMs that you have to be quick. And for example, if you are going to start a campaign of ads or something like that, and you have to have a CRM as quick as possible, so you can use this feature of AI, so of Airtable. So if you enjoyed the video and also find valuable this tool that I showed to you, let's please subscribe to this channel. We're going to still continue uploading this type of content so valuable for this type of businesses. Okay, to all of these different digital businesses and B2B more specialized. So I hope you enjoyed the video and find value in this video. So also, if you want to automate some things in your own business, you can basically schedule a call in the link of the description, and we're going to talk completely for free and how we can work together and automate and use this type of no-code tools that are so valuable and so useful for business. So thank you so much for seeing this video, and we still I'm going to basically continue with this type of video. Bye.